Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the best deals and offers for switching to T-Mobile. Switching to T-Mobile can be a smart move if you're looking for better deals and offers. T-Mobile, known for providing competitive plans with plenty of data, unlimited talks and texts, and strong nationwide coverage. Many people switch because T-Mobile often has promotions like paying off your old phone or contract when you join them. They also offer trade-in deals where you can change your old device for credit towards a new one. Another reason customers switch is T-Mobile's family plans, which can save money if you have multiple lines. They frequently give perks such as free subscriptions to streaming services or discounts on partner brands. If you travel, T-Mobile also includes international texting and data in many of its plans. Their 5G network is one of the largest in the country, making it attractive for those who want faster speeds. Sometimes they run special deals for new customers, like extra lines for free or reduced prices on flagship phones. The switching process is usually simple and T-Mobile helps you keep your safe number. Many users also like that there are no hidden fees or complicated contracts. T-Mobile Tuesday is another unique perk where you can get free items or discounts every week. They also provide good options for prepaid plans if you don't want to commit long-term. Overall, switching to T-Mobile can be beneficial for saving money, getting more features, and enjoying reliable services. It's worth checking their current offers because they change often. If you're looking for value and extras, T-Mobile can be one of the best carriers to switch to. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.